Now chapter number 4. All of you take out page number 33. Chapter number 4, The Poor Man. Understanding the words. First, take the correct answers. First is the man stood in the cold water because A. He had to prove a point. B. He had to challenge the emperor. Or C. He needed the money. The right answer is he needed the money. Now second is Birbal tried to make the emperor understand, but A. The emperor did not listen to him. B. The emperor did not hear him. C. The emperor listened to someone else. तो उसमें आ जाएगा फर्स्ट वन. A. The emperor did not listen to him. Okay, after that, question number 3. Birbal did not come to the court for 5 days because A. He was unwell. B. He was actually cooking the khichdi. Or C. He was trying to prove a point to Akbar. The correct answer is he was trying to prove a point to Akbar. Fourth, when Akbar understood his mistake, he A. apologized to Birbal. B. called the poor man and rewarded him. C. gave the poor man double the reward. So right answer is called the poor. B1. Called the poor man and rewarded him. All of you take out your notebook and start writing exercise chapter number lesson 4, The Poor Man. New words. First you have to write it new words. First word is court. Second is reward. Third is kingdom. Fourth is glowing. Fifth is khichdi. Sixth is emperor. Seventh is warmth. Eighth is messenger. Ninth one is cheating. CHEATING, cheating. 10th is majesty. Okay. 7th is warmth. 8th is messenger. 9th is cheating. And 10th is majesty. After that, write exercise. See, word meaning you have to write it from the book, page number 32. Word meaning you have to write it from the book. I will write page number here. Page number 32. Answer the following questions. Question number 1. What did Akbar ask Birbal to do? Answer is Akbar asked Birbal to bring him a poor man from the kingdom who would do anything, however difficult. DIFFICULT, difficult, for a reward. Okay. Question number 2 is what reason did Akbar have for not giving the poor man his reward? Answer is Akbar did not give the poor man his reward, saying that he had got warmth from the light glowing far away, and that was cheating. Cheating, CHEATING, cheating. Okay. Beta, question number 3 is describe the poor man's response when he did not get the reward. Answer is the poor man could not argue, argue with the emperor, and so he just went home. Went आएगा, he just went, WENT, went home disappointed and said. Disappointed में यहाँ पर TE और D. Okay. Write C. Answer the questions with reference to the context. First is tell me, O poor man, how could you bear the cold all through the night? अब ये सेंटेंस है. अब इसमें पूछा गया who said these words, ये किसने बोला? The emperor said these words to the poor man. ये राजा ने बोला था poor man. B is what did the man do? अब मैन ने क्या किया? द मैन हैड स्टूड, STOOD, stood all night long in the cold. ठीक है. Second sentence is, how will the khichdi get cooked with the fire so far away? ये sentence है और ये किसने पूछा? अपूप है. Who said these words and to whom? ये शब्द, ये words किसने बोले और किसको बोले? तो आंसर is, अकबर said these words to बीरबल. अकबर ने किसको बताया, पूछा था? बीरबल. Now B is, was Birbal successful in what he wanted to achieve? Answer, yes, Birbal was successful in what he wanted to achieve. Now you have to write D, write the opposite gender. It is already given in your book, but you have to write it in your notebook. First आएगा father, father का mother. B आएगा hen, hen का cock, या फिर आप लिख सकते हैं rooster, ROOSTER. दोनों में से जो आपको अच्छा लगे, दोनों ही सही है. थर्ड niece, niece का आएगा nephew. फोर्थ aunt, aunt का आएगा uncle. ये अपोजिट जेंडर्स है ना, इसलिए. फिफ्थ इज princess, princess का आएगा prince. सिक्स्थ इज host, host का आएगा hostess. सेवेंथ इज boy, boy का girl. एट्थ इज lady, lady का gentleman. नाइन्थ इज man, man का woman. टेंथ इज lion, lioness. ठीक है. नाउ होमवर्क, read the lesson and copy the new words and exercise in your notebook and learn them. So chapter number 3 exercise and chapter number 4 exercise has been completed. Chapter number 3 and chapter number 4 exercise have been completed. So all of you do it in your notebook and learn it properly.